All right, y'all. So I realized I lost the intro. I don't know what happened. I think maybe I deleted it or maybe I cleared my SD card or something. I don't remember. But basically, gotta explain what's going on. So this is basically gonna be part one. Now I'll probably do I'll make it part 0 of this mid mount kit series, little mini series that I'm doing right here. The reason why it's part 0 is just this video is just really just taking off all the old kit and just like sourcing a couple of parts and shit. So it's gonna be your regular mid mount, little crossover pipes. The turbo is gonna sit right next to the trans, just like the BP one. I think RZG makes one too. So I mean, there's gonna be a lot better, you know, prettier, and as long as mine is functional, then I'm not tripping off that. You already know. So the reason why I'm changing the kit is not because rear mounts suck. I love rear mounts, and this is definitely not gonna be my last rear mount. Definitely a lot more rear mounts to come in the future, not only on my car but on a lot of other cars as well. So my kit itself, like the actual one on this car, a little janky, you know. It was all right. It worked fine, but I'm ready to upgrade. And also I just gotta practice my fabrication. I just gotta, you know, practice making a mid mount. It's a little difficult when you aren't that great at it, but I'm gonna get it done. Not really too much on a time crunch. I want to try to get it done in 2 weeks because my birthday's in 2 weeks, but I'm not really tripping. I'm waiting for stuff to come in, and I'm just taking it slow, you know. And it's probably better if I take my time too, so I don't forget anything, and then, you know, maybe try to make it a little bit more legit, you know. So no, it's gonna operate nice though, for sure. So basically this video is gonna be me, some things I had to figure out to go to this mid-mount kit and just taking off the old kit. I appreciate y'all for subscribing, because I don't never ask nobody to subscribe, but people will be in the comments like, oh, new sub, like whatever. Like, I fuck with y'all, like really, like genuinely. So you didn't have to do that. I just be posting videos, man. I like posting videos and making videos, like make some content out of the stuff that I do. So yeah, I'm not sure if I explain this later in the video, but this is the turbo I was running on my rear mount. It's eBay HX35. It's running nice. Spool's good. I mean, I'm being on this thing really hard. There's not much, if any, shaft play. I mean, journal bearings always have a little bit of shaft play, like within spec, just because that's how the bearing, like it has oil like around it. That's how it works. So, but these internal wastegates, it just won't work out. I was trying to see if I could do it with an internal gate. That would low-key make the whole kit like twice as easy. Like, imagine just like stuffing the turbo up there, internal gate, bow, some pipes, charge pipes, exhaust, oil lines, that's it. But unfortunately this is not gonna work out. Just because, not only because the gate, like this part's not really the issue, it's just because the turbine housing is extra bulky because it has to like hold all that stuff. So I'm not gonna be able to use it. I could just get a different turbine housing, but I mean, online I'm finding ones that are like $200, and I don't know if they're an exact fit, and it's gonna take a while to get here. So I just got a new one, got a new turbo. So if they're not sold by the time you watch this, if you're in SoCal and you're looking for one of these, I also have an HX40. You can see it right there. So if you need an HX35, HX40, let me know. I'm giving them like 40% off. Let me know. All right, so right now, taking off this intercooler, gotta sell it. And then probably after that, I'm gonna move this, and move this, because I think those are gonna be in the way for the new intercooler. I don't know exactly how it's gonna line up yet, so I'm thinking I'm gonna put the crash bar back and just trim it. You know, I don't really need it for anything. I mean, it's not saving shit, man. It's made out of aluminum. This car's been, yeah, two one out. It's gonna be same sided, so boost piping is gonna come from down under the trans. I still gotta figure out how it's gonna run. I wanna look. Thinking I'm gonna do like, see, it's gonna come off the turbo on the 45. Do another 45. I'm thinking if I could do a 45 and just do a straight shot all the way through the arms. I forget how, because on this side you can't really do a straight shot unless it's like get lucky, I guess. I don't know. Probably gotta trim this. Might touch that. And then it's gonna go this way. The only thing I gotta do is just cut that one down, and then this whole little part right here will be like up right here, and then make a bump, like a ridge for it to catch onto. Put that there. So that part's not gonna be hard. And then as for this part, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Obviously, I could just keep like this, but I don't want to. Like I said, I don't like these wearing gear clamps at all. Alright, so you see, it's off right here. Off right here. That was just this thing. And then I literally have zip ties to a screw to this. That's how it was being held up. But it was solid though. Just gotta clean it up a little bit. Bro, this shit's hella funny. Look at this piece of a filter I tried to make. Got caught in here. And there's hella oil on the bottom. I already know. I don't know how much y'all can see, but hella couplers, hella clamps. Not a good idea. Don't do it like this. And just take it off like right here, right there. And then when it goes over the transmission brace, and then it should all just pull out. I just had an idea. What if I did a twin turbo setup? Just put like a big ass turbo back here, like a medium sized one up there on a built block. Yeah, that's 1,000 guaranteed. Intercooler piping gone, except for right there. Just the part right there. That's what goes to the front mount. But other than that, it's all gone. Right now, I just took off the Y pipe and the turbo and everything is still on there, but I don't care about that right now. I gotta get these test pipes off. So I think y'all saw I took all the charge piping off, and I had the test pipes off. So I got the white pipe off. Where is it? I don't know. You can see there's a bunch of shit under there. But so I test fitted the turbo right there. The internal wastegate makes the entire thing like way too bulky, so it's not really fitting up there. Like, cause the HX40 is not the biggest turbo, like, and that's like a 58 size turbo. And I've seen people fit like 62, 67s under here and shit, so even bigger. I might so stick with the HX40 and then just get a different compressor housing for it, because that one with the internal wastegate is just too bulky. Right there you can see you got a good box from CX Racing. This is the intercooler. Oh shit. I gotta take out the exhaust first, or the little muffler.